Hi everyone, it's Ethan again. It is December 7th, 2022, and tomorrow will be exactly 1 year since I underwent the Ravitch procedure to correct my Pectus excavatum chest wall deformity. I think the last time I posted an update was about 2 months after the initial surgery, so I've had quite a bit of a recovery time in the last several months. I had my follow-up appointment with my surgeon at UAB earlier in August, who gave a great report, said I was healing and progressing appropriately, and that I didn't have to go back to see him unless there was some sort of complication. So overall, I'm still feeling really great. In the last several months, I've really started to regain nearly 100% of my strength since the surgery. The pain has definitely subsided, even those moments where it was sore initially. And I'm able to get back into the gym and just feel overall more normal. Sometimes it feels like it's been a lot longer than just a year since I've had the surgery, but still feeling good. I think I've noticed my breathing certainly has improved, especially if I'm doing cardio or working out, things like that. So I feel better. I think with what the doctor was mentioning, even giving that clean report, that he said because of how invasive the surgery was and how much they had to do, of course, removing sections of my rib cage, that I probably won't fully heal for another 1 to 2 years. So in that time, he said, listen to my body, and if things hurt, just be mindful of that. And I think have noticed that, especially in the last couple of months or so, that I've tried to I guess push myself a little bit more in the gym, and maybe have done that a little bit too much. So I can put some strain on the chest. That I have had some moments of pain, and I have to be mindful of how I sleep, and sleeping on my side, things of that nature can cause it to be a little bit painful. So I'm kind of recognizing that I'm still not 100% there, but I definitely am a long way from where I was a year ago. Just kind of looking what it looks like now. Again, very minimal scarring, as some of my earlier videos showed. Decision's only about that wide, but I mean it looks really good from the front. Oddly, my most pronounced scar is where they had the drainage tube. But looking from the side, I mean, so much better here. That was such a deep depression. Of course, there's going to be still some curvature at the top that they could not correct, but I mean, such a dramatic improvement from where I was. So overall, again, I have no regrets about going for the surgery. If anything, I wish I would have done it sooner. I've had more confidence. I feel better going shirtless, at the beach or at the pool, and just feel overall a lot better. I think for those, I've had some folks that have commented on some of my videos, and that have been encouraged by the videos. I'm excited to hear that. That's why I'm kind of sharing my story, because I was very nervous going into this procedure and not knowing exactly what to expect long term. But again, no regrets. I think looking back, the surgery was certainly an ordeal, but it turned out better than I could have expected. The care I received during the hospital stay and then my recovery was phenomenal. So I think it was worth the the pain in the moment and the kind of the recovery to get to where I want to be long term. So I've very grateful for my surgeon and the staff at UAB that were my caregivers and kind of got me through the initial surgery, and then to all of my supporters, family, friends that have kind of rallied behind me and helped me recover quickly. I'm very grateful for that. So, and for those that are watching this video and seeing this a year out, I hope this gives you added encouragement if anyone's considering having this procedure done or something similar. I know some younger folks have the NUS procedure, but it really can help your self-esteem. It can help your health, and I think that's always a win-win in that case. So, but here's my year update. It's hard to believe it's been that long in some ways, but I'm happy to be where I'm at now and to feel as good as I am. And I feel like, as we move forward, I'll continue to heal and just be mindful of my body, and I have to be a little bit careful in the gym and not to strain my chest too much It still had a lot happen to it a year ago, so it's not 100% back, but we're getting there every day. So again, hit me up in the comments if you have questions or want to talk more about the procedure and the recovery. But yeah, I appreciate everyone that's kind of followed along in this journey. This is very out of character for me to do a video blog like this, especially being shirtless in some of it. So yeah, I appreciate that and all of the support. So I'll try to post another update in the future as I continue to heal. But just wanted to throw this out there.